Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Zaki Ramadan and I'm a student in Bina Sarana Informatika. So my ID is 44240676, and this video I want to tell you about my opinion about Indonesia versus Bahrain match last time. As we know, when the match finished, Indonesia's citizens immediately felt dissatisfied with referee Ahmed Al-Kaf decision because he blew the final whistle in the 19 plus 9 minute, which should have ended in the 19 plus 6 minute, and I thought it was very strange because the referee blew the whistle when the Bahrain players scored, so yeah, they equalized with Indonesia. In the final moment of match were marked by controversy. After Indonesia had taken the lead, the referee Ahmed Al-Kaf allowed play to continue beyond the allowed injury time. This section led to protect from Indonesia player and staff with concern raised about the legitimacy of Bahrain equalizing goal. The Indonesia Football Association, or PSSI, expressed their disappointment and announced plans to file an official complaint with the Asian Football Confederation, or AFC, regarding the officiating of the match. Fans also took to social media to voice their frustration, flooding AFC Instagram with comments questioning the referee's decision and calling for accountability. So I hope that match like this don't happen again, so that the match are sporty and don't get cheat again when playing. The question words. What is question words? Question words is also known as interrogative words or WH words. Are words used to ask questions. They are typically placed at the beginning of a sentence and require an answer to provide information. And this example question word combination. They have who, what, when, where, why, and which. Who used to ask about people. For example, who is that? Who makes the dissection here? Who did that? What used to ask about things or action. For example, what's your favorite sport? What do you want? What time are you leaving? When used to ask about time. When did you leave? When are you going on holiday? When will you finish work? Where used to ask about place or location. Example, where did you buy the shoes? Where is the pond? Where can I get a taxi? Why used to ask about reason or purpose. Why is the earth round? Why are you late? Why was she there? And which used to ask about choice between option. For example, which color do you like best? Which restaurant are we going to? Which book do you want to read? And this for how. How much, how many, how long, how often, how far, and how old. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.